Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be showing you how I made this mini ariZona iced tea squishy. I absolutely adore how it's come out. I think it's so cute. I did actually make this around about 3 weeks ago, so if I have different nails on, which I definitely will do, that is why. I just completely forgot to share it with you, and I seen it on my desk a minute ago and I was like, oh my goodness, I filmed that. So I'm going to share that with you today. I think that you will love it. I'll leave all of the, you know, stuff like that down in the description, what I used to make it, just in case you want to remake it. If you do make it, be sure to tag me on Instagram, like send me over a picture, tag me in it so that I can just repost on my stories. Really enjoying doing that at the moment. I'm loving seeing all your messages. Rather than send it me via DM, like actually just put it on your stories with a tag, or put it onto your feed with a tag, and then that way I can repost it, because sometimes messages don't come through if your account's private, that sort of stuff. There's loads of reasons in behind why I can't sometimes repost. So yeah, if you do it that way, then that'll be good. If you want to stick around for more DIY cute ones like this, some squishy packages coming your way very soon, then please do hit that subscribe button. We're getting better. I think 12% of people at the moment watching my videos are subscribed, so that's better than like the 8%, so we're getting there. So yeah, thank you so much for choosing to click on this video, and I'm just going to get straight on into the tutorial of how I made this little iced tea squishy. So as with all of my squishies recently that I am DIYing myself, I'm actually just using a seat pad and cutting off little bits at a time. I bought this just from a local shop near me just before lockdown started, so that I had something to keep me busy, and this is what I've been using. It's not memory foam at all. It was advertised as it, but it's not, like, it doesn't work like memory foam, so I think they kind of label it wrong. But yeah, what I did was I cut off a little chunk of that and then drew around a tea light holder to create a circle, and then just started cutting away, making a cylinder shape. I just went in back and forth with tiny little snips just to make it as smooth as possible. The scissors that I use are actually just fabric scissors from the brand, what is the brand of these? Fiskars. They're really nice sharp scissors and I really enjoy using these. So I made the cylinder shape and then I rounded off both of the edges on the top and the bottom. Once I was happy with the shape, basically just looks like a little marshmallow shape, I just popped it onto a barbecue skewer and started creating layers of puffy paint, just depending on whatever squishy I was painting at the time, and I had excess paint. So as you can see here, like that brownie colour is when I made the troll squishy. But yeah, just use puffy paint mixed in with a little bit of PVA glue to make it go a little bit further, and you'll be good. I did the final layers in this mint turquoise colour, as that was the colour I wanted the squishy to actually be, and that worked out really nice. I think I did around about 4 or 5 layers in total. So I did a layer of a Tulip slick paint in this metallic kind of shade. Once that had dried down, I then used it to make some 3D kind of detailing. So I went around the rim of the can, put the little can pull on there, the little like indent bits on there as well. To add the tree bit of detailing, I just used the Tulip slick paint in brown, which is the same one I use for like chocolate drizzle on other squishies. It just comes in handy having this one, so I always get the big tub of this one because I use it so much. I then used a very light pink, just mixing a tiny bit of acrylic paint into the white puffy paint, making these little kind of petals, just using a barbecue skewer to get those on. I then decided to add a little face, as I do with absolutely everything, so I painted on a kawaii face using black for the eyes and the mouth, a pink for the blush and the tongue inside of the mouth, and then I added some highlight to each of the eyes just to make them a little bit cuter. So that is how I made this squishy. I absolutely adore it. It's so chubby and so cute. It's also so slow rising. I'm not sure if you can see it here, so I might put a little kind of like overlay clip on as I'm talking now, just so you can see it closer, seeing it being squished and that sort of stuff. But it's turned out so sweet. Love the colours on it, just love it so much. So hopefully I'll be seeing a few more on Instagram over the next week or so with you guys making them. Like I said, if you do, be sure to tag me, because then I will see it and then I will repost it and you can be on my stories as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow for another DIY, because I am doing daily uploads at the moment for June. So yeah, be sure to subscribe for that and like it and all of that, and do whatever you want really. But hopefully I'll see you again tomorrow for another DIY. Bye!